welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I shoot and edit my Instagram photos. So this is my Instagram, it's at Pose and Repeat. As you can see, there's a lot of color in there. I love my pastels, I love colorful outfits, and yeah, that's basically my vibe. So I'm going to separate this video into two parts. So there's going to be the how I shoot my Instagram photos, and then I'm going to separate into the how I edit. So shooting, editing. So let's talk about shooting first of all. I use two main things to shoot. One is my camera, so for any street style shots, I will use my Sony a7 III, which is what I'm filming on right now. It's what I film all my YouTube videos on as well. And I use a wide angle lens to shoot photos. I use a different lens for video, but we're not really gonna talk about video today. So when I'm shooting street style, I usually shoot with a friend. I usually shoot with Kirsty or Jess, and when I first moved to London, I had my friends from Melbourne helping me so much. Brandy and Amanda, thank you so much, guys. You honestly helped me so much to shoot, and I'm ever so grateful. When I was living in Melbourne, I had all my photos shot by my husband, Angelo, so I'm ever so grateful to him for shooting all my stuff. If you've ever shot a photo for me, thank you. I'm ever so grateful. I appreciate you. And for indoor shots and mirror selfies, I use my Google Pixel 3 XL. This phone right here is what that is. And honestly, I love the Google Pixel. It's the best phone camera I've ever used. It's probably the best phone camera that exists on the market. Honestly think so. So yeah, the quality is actually insane. It takes such a sharp and crisp photo. The colors are amazing, and once you put it through editing as well, it retains the quality so well, and it's so good. I could rave on about the Google Pixel all day. I get questions about it a lot on my Instagram, and I always give raving positive reviews about the Google Pixel, and I highly recommend the Google Pixel if you're looking for a phone that takes amazing photos. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through the shooting process and what I basically do when I want to shoot an outfit pic. I've got an outfit ready to go here that I want to shoot, which I will show you in a second. Okay, so this is the outfit we're going to shoot today. I'm going to get changed into it in a second. So we've got this purple dress. Honestly, love it. We've got this super fluffy cardigan. This is actually so warm. I was wearing it the other day, and today it's 29 degrees in London, so not suitable for today, but yes. I love this color combo, purple and coral kind of thing. It's very bold and eye-catching. I'm such a fan, and I feel like it'll photograph really well as well. So yeah, this is from Hello Molly. I'll link it in the description box if you are interested in the outfit. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I work with Hello Molly quite a lot. They're one of my fave brands, so check them out if you want to. Alright, so now I'm going to shoot this outfit. I'm going to show you how I set up the background of my shots, what mirrors I use, so let's get into that fun stuff. So for my photos, I basically use two mirrors. The first one is this bigger rectangular one here. I'll link everything in the description box, and I've also used this circle one right here. So once I've shot the photos, I go through them all and favorite or star the ones that I like the most. I then transfer them onto my computer. I do all of my editing on Lightroom on my laptop. So these are the top 3 photos that I've chosen and want to edit. Usually I will edit all the ones that I like. So the first thing that I do is add the vintage instant preset onto my image. I usually adjust the amount based on the photo, but this adds an overall warmth to the image, which I really like. It's also quite subtle once you make the basic adjustments to brightness and everything else. So next I bring the highlights all the way down. I adjust the brightness according to the image, and I bring up the shadows quite a lot to about 50 or so. Then I might go back and adjust the brightness if I need to. That's pretty much all the main adjustments done. I don't play around with the curves or anything like that, but I do play around with the colors, mainly focusing on the colors in the background of the photo. I tend not to adjust the colors of my outfit because I want the colors to look true to what they actually are. So in the background of this photo, I've got lots of green and I've got a bit of turquoise. So I'm just playing around with those colors. I've made the green a little bit more saturated and I've also brought up the luminance of the green. I've reduced the turquoise slightly. And finally, I'm cropping the image to the Instagram size of 4:5 and also straightening it. I'm also adjusting the temperature here. I don't want it to look overly warm or overly cool, but I prefer the image to be slightly warmer, and I also prefer a more pink hued than a green hued image. I'll usually use the color picker, then adjust a little bit after that. Once I've done all the edits to the first image, I copy the settings and edit and paste it onto the other images, and then I straighten and crop them to size. Alright, so here are the final 3 images all done and edited. You can see the before and the after. As you can see, it's not too much of a difference. It's kind of just brightening the colors and adding a bit more warmth to the photo. And I also edit my street style photos taken on my Sony a7 III camera in pretty much the same way, but of course every photo is different, so you just make adjustments as you need to. So guys, that is basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed or learned something from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can find me on Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest. They're all at Pose and Repeat. And I also want to say we hit 50k on YouTube. It's honestly insane. I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you so much for subscribing. We've had the last few weeks have been such a big growth spurt. I don't know what's happening, but it's honestly insane. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos. It makes me happy. If you have any requests for videos that you want to see in the future, then let me know in the comments below. I have lots of ideas for fun new content coming up. So stay tuned and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!